this is Hair Palace. How may I help you?
Hey, this is Aisha Thied. I want an appointment with Autumn immediately.
Hold up a minute. I'm gonna need to ask you to be more polite, please.
Polite? Polite for what? I'm bringing my business and my money to you. Don't ask me to be polite.
See, back in my day, if you were rude or smart, you either get a switch to the butt or a bar of soap in the mouth. You were at a 10, I'm gonna need you to take it down to a 3, please.
See, that was back in your day. It's 2018. Don't tell me to go to a 3. I'll stay at a 10.
Then maybe you should take your business elsewhere.
Wait. Okay, I'm sorry. I've been having a bad day lately, and plus my hair's been out of whack. I'm now the 3 as you requested.
Thank you. Please hold for a sec. Okay, I can squeeze you in for Wednesday, 3 p.m. How does that sound?
That sounds good, and thank you.
You're welcome. Have a blessed day.
You too.
What's up, bro?
Chillin'.
What I do for you today?
A shape up, gotta look good for the ladies.
Thanks for sure.
I heard y'all had a party last night. How was it?
Yo, Jalen, tell me how the party was last night.
It was crazy. You got all the girls. You missing the action.
That's cause he a square.
Okay, this dude funny. If I'm a square, what are you?
I'm a circle chief all around.
Round like a... Bro, I ain't messing with you today.
So girls, what you been doing for your body?
You know, we've been exercising, eating good, all of that.
Girl, you see what they got in their hand?
Y'all shouldn't be eating these. Y'all should be eating fruit.
Well, I love fruit. Ew, fruit is disgusting. I don't eat fruit. Oh my gosh.
Girl, what? Fruit is the bomb.
Period.
Anyway, Anthony, how you feeling?
I was watching a Fox News interview before you walked in. I don't like the labels they put on black people. It's like they straight up racist.
I don't like it either. Did you see when a black man reaching for his wallet and got shot by the white officer?
Yeah, America crazy, bro.
Facts.
And the orange man not doing nothing to help us.
Orange, how did he even get elected?
It's important to eat fruit consistently, exercise regularly, stay fit, and eat healthy.
I'm at the gym 3 to 4 times a week, meal preparations and all.
Meal preps like what?
Some days I'll do vegetables, fish, rice. Other days I'll do chicken for protein, but I always got a nice plethora of fresh greens.
Hey, Anthony.
What's up, Tristan?
How long is the cut?
About 40 minutes.
We should go to the video game store and then come back.
Yeah, you right. Let's go.
Well, I love me some McDonald's, Burger King. They carry out anything fast is a must.
Girl, too much fast food, fried food, dye food can kill you early.
And it will definitely keep you unhealthy.
I can't run down the street now without getting winded.
I have a cousin. We gotta watch our health, y'all. I have a cousin who committed suicide a few months ago because she was dealing with depression of being overweight. Instead of taking care of her health, physically and mentally, she decided to take her life. This is serious, especially in our community.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yes, girl. How did it even affect your family?
We're still dealing with it. Her mom is in therapy now. But something like that can hit you hard, especially when you lose a child to depression and suicide.
Girl, therapy is so important and so needed for anyone who feel like they can't cope with whatever. I see my therapist once a week, and I'm not ashamed of it. Either trauma or abuse or depression, or just trying to figure out life. We need to take advantage of therapy.
You have a point. Besides, I would hate to be in a place where I spoke because I've had so much on my mind and didn't know how to express it.
See, that's what therapy is for.
Well, let's change all of this. Let's start a health and communication group with each other and hold each other accountable.
Amen.